Hi, I'm Eddie McGill with Rose's Daughters, Senior and Specialty Move Management Company. We specialize in all different types of moves, whether it's from young families to seniors to memory care. The things that we do, no one move is the same. So there's different moves for different people, and we fill the category for each one of those, whether it's from a young family or if it's to a senior citizen. We also do packs for out-of-state moves. We have people coming from out of state into Minnesota where we live here, and we help them unpack and get settled. So whatever your move is, we can customize our services to you to help you with your move and getting settled in.